Magnolia Solar is a very exciting opportunity. We are developing next generation of very high efficiency nanostructure based solar cell at a lower cost than what conventional silicon solar cells do.
About 80-85% of the market is based on silicon technologies. The other part, which is growing much more rapidly, is actually based on thin film. So we are working in the thin film area.
Why nanostructure? Because this gives you a larger surface to area ratio. In a conventional solar cell, you get light going in two-dimensional. Here you have a third dimension that allows you to get a lot more light per unit area or per unit volume, if you will. And also adding on top of that the ability to keep and capture the light, what we generally refer to as light trapping. That should help immensely in enhancing the solar cell efficiency.
If you go to remote parts of India, Africa, and even China, there is a lack of grid. And when we get to the low-cost photovoltaic technology, we can have applications which are not connected to the grid.
If you look at the big picture, in the United States, currently solar utilization is less than 1%. It's going to grow to 5 or 10%. That's a multi-billion dollar business. We are at a very exciting crossroad here. We are one of the first companies that has co-located at Albany Nanotech.
The overall investment that has gone into this facility is upwards of $6 billion. So this facility currently is like no other facility in the world in terms of the capabilities and resources that we actually have.
All the resources we need to develop the technology are already here. So we get a jump start on the product development. We do not have to spend time bringing in equipment, getting it permitted and installing it, testing it. It's all here. And we don't have to spend the capital to do that. So this really presents us a big advantage in terms of time and money to get started with this technology.
The other benefit of being here and working with us is being able to tap into the resources that New York State has in terms of funding opportunities.
One of the things that we pride ourselves in is our ability to get funding from the government. And that's our philosophy. We want to have the development effort carried out by funding from the sources, not the investment dollars that we raise. We are keeping that money for basically filing patent, building the IP. We do not use that money for our day-to-day operation. We also have several programs from the Air Force under the SBIR program. We're developing technology for terrestrial applications and application for the military application, for the defense applications. Over the next 2 years, we are looking to raise capital to basically set up a pilot facility that we can develop high-efficiency solar cells in New York State, and that will allow us to be able to show what our capabilities are and what we have done.
We expect that in 5 years' time, we will be in full-scale manufacturing. The company should be highly profitable at that point of time because we are a low-cost manufacturer. Our technology is based on glass, and the efficiency is high. When you combine high efficiency and low cost, you really have a winning product.
We're an early stage company, and we have a very, very bright future ahead of us. Magnolia Solar is currently publicly traded. Its stock symbol is MGLT. It's over the counter, and we are an exciting opportunity for investors who are looking to grow with us. And we hope that you will find us a very compelling investment opportunity.